Hope the police did not see me do that.
Waking up with
Hello, hello! Good morning! Saturday morning! Masyadong malayo ang Summerlin, guys. I really wanted to go to Summerlin, but it's too far from us. Mama, we cannot leave Mama that long. So
Not
we
leave her
cannot.
alone
Yeah.
that long. Yeah, because she's sleeping.
It's too far kasi Summerlin from us will be like 30 to 40 minutes, I
Yeah, we
think.
won't be able to do that tonight.
Yeah,
Yeah.
so nag-start yung parade sa Summerlin like 8 a.m. to 11, my love.
Yeah.
It should be 8 to 9, I think, but yung celebration is like it will last till 11 a.m. Pero napakalayo po namin kaya hindi na po kami pumunta. So for now, for today's video, so again, punta po kami sa Smith kasi we're planning talaga na magstay sa bahay for the whole day kasi medyo napagod kami yesterday. Although hindi naman ganun kadami talaga yung ginawa namin, para kami pagod na pagod dahil sa katawan naming mabigat. So ngayon punta lang kami sa Smith kasi ang Walmart po ay wala silang mga product ng Goya. Goya is the sauce, even the adobo, love. The sauce, the herbs, and yung chickpeas. Basta yung Goya is Puerto Rican items na madalang sa ibang area. Kasi sa Walmart dun sa baba, dun sa dati naming lugar, meron naman. Sa baba, yung Walmart namin sa baba, meron sila mga Goya items. Pero dito, wala silang Goya items. Then, yung mga area, yung Smith naman dito, thankfully yung Smith dito, meron silang Goya items. So, yeah, bibili namin yung mga Goya items na need namin for this week. Usually, binibili namin is good for 1 month na. Kasi yung bottle, like yung sauces, yung culantro, yeah, yung cilantro, paste, mga ganon. So, doon namin binibili yan. Kasi wala nga sa Walmart. Kasi Puerto Rican area, Puerto Rican item siya. And I like those mixes. You call it mixes or ingredients? Kasi pag nagluluto ako para sa atin, that's afritada. Pero sa kanila, they call it chicken stew. Actually, we call it chicken stew rin. Pero afritada, caldereta, it's really good. Kasi mixes ng bell pepper, cilantro, at kung ano-ano pa. Masarap siya.
waking up with the morning light. Coffee's brewing, it feels just right. Stretch my arms, greet the brand new day. Gonna make it.
Dito na tayo sa Smith. Usually meron sila ditong barbecue. Wala namang special ngayon, guys. Ang dami kong tinapay from Filipino place. Yung crab meat, bibilin ko dito. Crab meat. Ito, even yung Asian. Ito yung Asian area. Teka, bili ako ng rice wine. Tingnan natin kung may rice wine sila. Sesame oil. Seasoning.
Hello.
Po. Just one. siya. Tingin tayo ng bulaklak, guys. Kasi maganda ang mga bulaklak dito eh. Dito kami bumibili ng bulaklak. Mas karamihan dito ano, naka-sale. Ayan oh. Oh, ang ganda. Flowers. Look, $8 lang for this. Oh, like this. It's reduced. Huh? Pero ayoko. Tinatamad ako magbulaklak ngayon. Patay naman na to. Diyos mio naman. Minsan naka-base pa yan. Minsan naka-base pa. Raiders love.
Eh?
Raiders.
Let's go now. But before, we cannot barbecue because it's too hot. But people are going to be outside barbecue. But under the shade, right? Or whatever you can. Okay.
Where's your car, Yan?
Over there, Mama.
This
Down
is
there.
far.
Yeah, it is far. I'm going to bring it here.
No?
Huh?
Let's go. And now we'll cook in the under the sun. No way.
The porch. And then it'll back way.
And I will be a barbecue. Pork barbecue.
Oven. We have oven.
Magba-barbecue kami pero gamit namin oven. Init kaya sa labas. Magba-barbecue kang init-init. Yellow rice? I'm planning only French fries or mashed potato.
Both work. Either work.
Yeah.
Either work. Do we have enough fresh fries?
I bought French fries for Mama.
Okay.
That's enough.
Okay.
Hi guys! Ito na nga. Ay, bumili kami ng pork. What's that? Pork? Butt pork.
What? Pork on the
So, butt pork. Nalgas. Puwet. Butt. So, i-oven lang natin ito. Oven bake. Tapos, I don't know, baka mag-mashed potato lang ako or French fries. Or real potato. And ibibake ko na rin yung real potato. I think sasama ko siya dito. Yeah, yun na lang gagawin ko. Imamarinate ko or isiseason ko yung real potato. Ilalagay ko sa paligid. Tapos ibibake ko. Bili kami na butter pecan. At saka extra rackerol. Pork blade steak. So, pork siya. Then, nagbili kami ng drums. Chicken drums. Seasoned na siya. And, eto, chicken drums ulit. Iba't iba na ano. Yung season no isa is lemon pepper seasoning. Then, ito naman is Malibu garlic and herbs. Na. Gagawa tayo ng crab salad again. Pakita ko sa inyo kung paano ko ginawa. Guys, ito na. Steak. Steak ba to? Butt steak?
Holy
Tapos meron din tayo ditong chicken. Pepper lemon chicken. Pero feeling ko hindi pa okay pa si chicken. Konti pa. Pero lagyan natin ng oil. ito, luto na tong meat natin. Try. Chicken.
Yeah, we're gonna watch the movie now.
Yellow rice and steak. Wet. Wet.
in my day, chasing clouds, I'm on my way. Every step I'm feeling free. This is the life, just you and me. La la la, let's dance along, singing loud to a happy song. Oh, it's sunshine in my day, living life in a joyful way. So here's to life, the highs and lows.